Hey everyone, come meal prep with me. Tonight we're having a creamy steak skillet. Go ahead and screenshot those ingredients and let's get into it. Let's start off by cutting up all the vegetables and the steak. Add Worcestershire sauce and season the meat. Save a tablespoon of the seasoning for the potatoes. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of oil and season the potatoes to your liking. Put them in a baking pan and then add a little more oil. Then go ahead and bake them for 30 to 40 minutes on 400 degrees. Now saute the vegetables. I like to start with the garlic and onions first. I let it cook down a little and then I add peppers. I let that cook down and then I add broccoli. Because this is meal prep, I'm going to slightly undercook the vegetables. Now for the steak, we're just going to add butter and the meat to a cast iron skillet and put it in the oven for 10 minutes on broil. This is how it's looking. For the sauce, we're going to go in with half a stick of butter and 2 cloves of garlic in a saucepan. Stir in a cup and a half of heavy cream. I actually didn't have heavy cream, so I used half and half. You can also use condensed milk if you don't have that. Add lemon juice and a can of cream and mushroom soup. Go ahead and add the cheese in about a handful at a time. Season the sauce to your liking. I like to use about 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning and 1 tablespoon of all the other seasonings. If you don't have Cajun seasoning, you can use cayenne pepper for spice. Now that all the food is cooked, we can go ahead and layer the ingredients. I like to start with layering the potatoes. Then I add the vegetable mix and the steak on top. I save the sauce for last. I let the dishes cool down and then I put them in the freezer. Just so you know, you can also use red potatoes or baby yellow potatoes. It all tastes the same to me. This is my first time trying this recipe and I think it's pretty good, so try it and let me know what you think. As always, thanks for watching and follow for more recipes.